Okay, this recipe calls for a baked crust. So when you're going to bake an empty crust, you have to be careful that it doesn't get melty in the oven and fall down the side. So one of the things you do is you take a fork and you punch holes in the bottom and the sides of the crust, like that. I punched a lot already, just like that. And then you take another piece of parchment paper, watch in for it, and you put it in the pie crust, kind of fit it around as best you can, and then use pie weights, or what I do is just dry beans. These are really dry. They've been baking pie crust now for about 2 years. So they just go in with the normal oven temperature, which in this case is 350, and only for I think it's I gotta look again, but I think it's about 10 minutes. Okay. Now this is ready to go in the oven, and we'll be back.